Hey, it's Aran here. In this video, I wanted to document the building of my .com Troops membership on Kajabi step by step. Now, this is going to be a video series. This is video number 1, just to give you a bit of an introduction on what it is that I'm doing and how it's going to roll. And if you'd like to kind of follow the journey along, then there'll be video posted on my Facebook group, which is .com Troops group.com. Also, it'll be posted on my YouTube channel, and also you'll post it on my Instagram. So essentially what I'm doing is I already need to build my entire website on Kajabi, and I figured I might as well document the entire process from A to Z. Kajabi is an online course and membership platform where you can actually set up your entire online business, membership, website, and everything else. So just a quick overview on Kajabi. You'll notice that there is a lot of features. You can have all the default pages. You can set up your product library for existing members. You can have blog posts. You can have your about page. You can have your home page and everything in between. There is different themes that you can choose in terms of how you want your website to get the look and feel of it and all that stuff. Under products, you can create membership sites. You can create online courses, you can create drip courses, coaching programs, and you can actually set up a community. You can also set up different offers. So if you've got different pricing models, coupons, you can also have affiliate marketing and so on. On the marketing section, you can set up everything with regards to your sales pipelines. So, other companies call it sales funnels. Here they call it pipelines. It's really the same thing. And then you've got also different things like automations, which is the email marketing. And also you can set up events as well, and forms. So if you want to have different forms for people to submit, like a landing page and stuff like that. And of course, you can also have there's a bit of a CRM as well, where you can actually see how things work with regards to progress that people are doing, if they paid for something, and so on. Next, what I wanted to show you is basically the entire process of how this will roll. So basically, I've started the Google Doc, which I'm going to document day by day. And this is just to give you an idea of day 0. Day 0 is just me telling you what it is that I've actually done before I start documenting. So this is all I've done. I've signed up for Kajabi a few months ago, and I paid $149 a month to start with. And this was a couple of months ago. As of today, I actually paid for the annual plan just so I can get that out of the way and get going. So I've built other people's websites on Kajabi already in the last few months. So I'm pretty familiar with how it works and how it's done and mistakes that you can make and stuff like that. So I can be more efficient in how I'm doing it. I didn't set up pretty much anything on my own. All I've done is I've created an outline of how I want a blog to look like. I've also connected my Stripe account so I can receive payments. I set up one checkout page so I can actually get somebody paid for my monthly tech support service, which one person has paid so far. I also outlined a sketch on Canva on how I want the homepage to look like, and you can see it right here. And I've also created a checkout page, which is a draft pick checkout page for my .com Troops membership so far. And now I'll be documenting day by day. So here's a summary of day 1. Day 1, I've outlined the funnel for the founders launch for their membership. So essentially, it is going to be $1 subscription to start with, and then it's a month $1, and then the next month will be $19 and $19 from there on out. From there, I will create the membership checkout page, which I've kind of done. I want to do some sort of an order bump. I haven't decided what that will be, so I put it in a question mark. Then there is a thank you page, which I've started to work on, and I've sketched it out. Now, just to give you an idea on the thank you page, for example, so I believe this is the page. This is going to be the page where I'm then going to ask them to book an appointment as well, make a calendar, and I recorded the video for that. Then there is a survey. It's not going to be an Airtable saver, but it'll be a survey inside Kajabi. And again, I started to actually set that up. So here's the survey that I started to set up, and I'm working on that. And then it's going to take them to the Facebook group. Now, I also did a little keyword research on TubeBuddy, which is a software Chrome extension that I use to see if there is a keyword that I can target when I upload a video to YouTube so that I can rank on page 1 of YouTube. And because I'm going to be recording these videos every day, I wanted to obviously rank ideally. So I found a really good keyword. I'm not going to give specifics on that, but I'm going to focus on creating that video for YouTube as well, which is the video you're seeing right now. Additionally, I created on Calendly a group, a call that basically is set up so people can book an onboarding call. My goal is for people, once they sign up, is to book an appointment with me. And this is what I've set up on. So I've set it up on Calendly. And I also had it tested with somebody that I'm looking to hire. Then the survey, I've started to create that on Kajabi, which I've shown you already. It's this one, this assessment. And then what I did is, me and my assistant, we actually mapped out the initial topics that I want to create for my membership, and I created on ClickUp. This is the content, and this is more for me and for my own organization. I'm happy to show you what it looks like as well. This is what it looks like. So you can see the topic of all the courses I want to create. These are the different topics, and here's all the topics right here. So I uploaded the screenshot as well. And after I outlined the topic, I went to Airtable and I set up the process, okay? Now, the process that I set up is right here. So you see the topic, the status of where it's at, the slides that I use for the training video as well. The video I created on Loom. I write the instructions to my VA. I upload the transcript of the video and so on. Now, this entire process, I then recorded an SOP training video for my VA, my assistant, so they know what do they do with the video from this point on and so on. So I've recorded 5 videos today so far. So I did those first 5 videos. And then on the SOP video, I sent it to my VA. And also I found the software and did a trial to see how that works. So the software is actually called Descript. And this is the one that we're testing out to see how that works. Lastly, I also have another video that I did right here, which is essentially a video that I did and I uploaded it to YouTube, but it actually requires a bit of video editing. So I created a task on Upwork for my video editor with instructions on what is required and wrote the instructions on what to do and hired him so he can get started on that. So that's a summary of day 1. This is kind of the process of building an entire membership site step by step. Hope you got value from this. I'm going to do this kind of video every day, every second day, but I will be documenting it step by step. So this was all day 1. Now I'm going to get on to day 2 and see how much I can get done, basically. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please do hit the like button and subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know. Was this helpful? Was it not helpful? What would you like to see in future videos? I will be reading every single comment and responding as well. If you're not part of my Facebook group, please join me. The link is .comtruthsgroup.com. You can find it in the description if you're watching it on YouTube. Otherwise, that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching. If you're watching on my Facebook group, awesome. And yeah, let me know if what else you'd like to see. I'd love to get a bit of feedback on your thoughts. If there's anything else you wanna see and want me to share in more detail, I want to give you a bit of an overview on the different tasks. And yeah, that's about it. If there's something that you're interested in that you want me to document as part of this video, it's important for me to know, because then I can make those videos more valuable so you can kind of follow along with the journey. Thanks a lot.